Good morning, class 9th. Today I will explain the summary of chapter number 7, Packing of Beehive. The lesson Packing is an extract taken from Jerome K. Jerome's novel, Three Men in a Boat. It describes humorously the incident that takes place when the narrator and his two friends get engaged in packing their things before going on for a boating trip. It focuses on the fact that packing is an art and very few people are gifted with this art. Once the narrator and his two friends decided to go on a trip. The names of three friends are George, Harris, and Jerome. Jerome is the narrator. The narrator felt that he knew packing better than his friends, so he told them to leave the job entirely at him. George and Harris accepted the offer and relaxed while the narrator was busy packing the bag. But the narrator was not happy to see both of his friends passing their time leisurely. What he actually intended was that being the best of them, he would boss the job and his friends would do some important things under his direction. The narrator started packing. It took him a longer time than he had expected. He packed the bag but left the boots outside. So he had to reopen the bag and put the boots in. No sooner had he packed the bag than he forgot whether he had packed his toothbrush. He again opened the bag and made a frantic search for the toothbrush, which he finally found inside the boot. When he had finished, George asked if the soap was in. The narrator got irritated and refused to reopen the bag. However, he had to open the bag once again when he found that he had packed his spectacles. Now it was the turn of George and Harris to do the rest of the packing. They began in a light-hearted spirit to show the narrator that it was not a very difficult task, but they too proved themselves immature as they made a lot of mistakes while packing. They started with breaking a cup, then Harris packed the strawberry jam on top of a tomato and squashed it, and then there was a George who trod on the butter. In this way they messed up things and took a long time in packing. The narrator's dog Montmorency lingered the task of packing by creating nuisance. He came and sat on things just when they were wanted to be packed. He put his leg into the jam and disturbed the teaspoons. He pretended that the lemons were rats and got into the hamper to attack them. The packing was finished at midnight. All the three friends went to sleep as they had got tired. Also, they had to wake up early. Children, now read the story from the book also. Read the chapter thoroughly